Yo, well, $100,000 from the wishing well.
Parts of New York will see Winter Storm Nathaniel is on the scene, and it's not just bringing snow, but also some ice. So what we're going to be looking at is biggest potential for impacts today from Colorado into the lower Great Lakes. There's a look at the ice potential. Now this goes through Tuesday, so where you see those darker shades of pink, that's where we could actually have some accumulating ice with this system. So let's time it out this morning. The heaviest snow, well, that flies from Colorado, pushes into the Midwest. Notice Chicago there. You were in that all snow zone. So you are going to be seeing some accumulating snow, and we could have snowfall rates today 2 inches per hour. By Tuesday, the storm moves east of the Great Lakes and into the northeast, where parts of the I-95 corridor you will see accumulating snow by Wednesday. So there's a look at snowfall through Tuesday p.m. Now this is back through the Midwest, and you can see some of those places. Chicago, 5 to 8 inches likely for you. Now through Wednesday, as this storm moves east, we could have widespread amounts of 1 to 3 inches of snow along I-95. Upstate parts of New York could see 3 to 5 inches of snow.
Be careful! Don't get away with everything. Anyways, we now have a winter storm warning. I'll wait till a big gust comes. It's really cold.